Welcome everyone, Daniela here, and today I am working with the October main kit only. And first of all, I want to show you what we can find in our main kit this month. And yeah, we have pretty pattern papers, grid design. Here we have leaves and a lot of things to cut out. So I'll be doing some fuzzy cutting for sure. And I love the color range. We have pretty purples and we have pinks and blues and yellows and orange tones. And I really like this color combination a lot. So yeah, I think that I am doing a lot of layouts using these papers. So here we also have some spider webs. You can also do Halloween layouts if you are into Halloween, and of course a lot of fall themed pages. So this is going to be so much fun. We also have these chipboard die cuts, and yeah, I love those. I'll be using these on my first page. Then we have wood buttons and epoxies and dimensional embellishments. You see, they are so special and so cute. I think that these are so versatile. And then we have the cardstock foam phrases, and of course we also have another alphabet set. I really love this color again, and then we have the common die cuts. So for my very first layout created with the October kit, I wanted to focus on just a few things. So you see that I spread the chipboard die cuts here on one side, and then I started by just adding some color sprinkles. And you see on the right hand side I have some pretty leaves, and I cut them from one of those papers. And yeah, two papers will be the main focus of my layout. But first of all, you see that I also set the frame aside so I can use it again, and I also cut a lot of leaves from the other paper. And now I want to start by backing my picture with two different papers. First of all, this yellow Vichy one. Do you call it Vichy? I don't know for sure, but yeah, I love this kind of paper. We have the yellow one and the blue one, and they are so pretty. And yeah, here this is the first layer behind my picture, and then I will add a second one so that we have this color combination as a main focus. And yeah, this one is such a pretty paper. I really like the pattern, and I have a blue paper behind my picture, and then we have these two blue stripes holding the white cardstock. And yeah, this is a nice thing to do, and we have the colors reoccurring on the page. They can also be found in the color splashes. And yeah, that is my basis for my layout. Now I can start embellishing everything, and my main embellishments will be the fuzzy cut pieces from one of those papers. And yeah, you see I place one of them here and a second one here under the picture, or yeah, it can stay this way. And now I can just fix them here and see what else I can add. I will mainly have leaves and flowers here on this page, and it's all about getting cozy. So I am working with the Get Cozy chipboard piece, and I really want to add this cute little fox. And yeah, I think that this is yeah, so pretty and so cute that yeah, I would like to have one of those on each of my pages. And now I can see what else to add. First of all, I have decided to use this pretty phrase, a chipboard phrase. It matches the leaves of the wreath perfectly, and I also want to add some more details here on both ends. First of all, I add here my titles, and now I can add more fuzzy cut pieces. So you see here I am working with some of the branches from the pattern paper, and I just arrange them here to have another little cluster. And yeah, now I can just fix it, and this is yeah, a nice addition to the big fuzzy cut pieces. So we have two big pieces and then clusters of smaller ones, and I also want to add some on the top, but I have to, yeah, I have to see how to put them. I think I want to have them similar, so I have to do some more fuzzy cutting. And this one tip I want to give you is, whenever you do some fuzzy cutting, make sure to leave some wide edges. This way, yeah, you can make sure that they look like die cuts, or yeah, I think they look much better if there are some wide edges. I do this on all my fuzzy cut pieces. You can see it in the purple branches, leaves and branches, for example. There is always some white space around the shape, and this way, yeah, it looks much better. Okay, so it's almost done. I just want to add some more details because we have this cute fox on one side. I want to put some paper stripes on the other side to have it in balance. And yeah, I'm working with the manufacturer stripes. They are a nice addition to all your pretty pattern papers, and you can use them along with the collection as well. And now I just spread some flowers. I wanted to make sure to have 3 flowers in each area, and I also add some of these pretty blue or turquoise leaves. And by adding the fuzzy cut pieces to the big fuzzy cut piece, you can add more dimension, because yeah, it really gains a lot of depth by yeah, adding more pieces, because we have more layers this way, and that is something that I can really recommend you doing. Well, this is the finishing touch. I just added the date stamp, and this is what my layout looks like in the end. I just rearranged the paper stripes behind the picture. As you can see, I added another purple one. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and take care. Bye bye.